So like, I've had this Sur Ron X Lite B for over a year now, and it's a really dope bike. However, my main complaint is I wish it had more range. Like, the range is good, but the range could be great. And I wish it had more speed as well. Like, when I'm going on like roads where there's like not really a speed limit, like country roads and shit, where like the cars are just zooming past you. So more range, more speed. I've had the bike for over a year at this point. And other than those two things, the bike is phenomenal. It's fucking great. A few months ago, I finally ordered a BAC 4000 from Emoto Bros. I figured today would be the day. Maybe I try to put it on. I might even try to put it on myself. It's kind of small. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. It's kind of cute, actually. I thought it'd be a lot bigger, but that's cool. I actually got this like probably back in like January, I want to say, but I didn't have the battery yet because I didn't realize the battery doesn't show up. You order it and it takes a couple months to arrive. I didn't know that when I ordered it. So I got this all the way back in January. It's officially May 1st at the time of filming this right now. I'm not very smart, but I'm gonna try to maybe hook this thing up by myself. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. And I got my battery, my 72 volt Chai battery a month or two ago. I've just been waiting for it to be nice weather out.
It's like being at the dentist office. So that's pretty much on then.
Yeah.
Wowzers. All right, got the controller on. I'm not gonna run a 72 volt just yet. I wanna try it with the stock 60 volt power first. Like, we got it hooked up and all that, but I don't got it bolted on quite right just yet. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, so I pleasured the throttle for a little bit and nothing happened. The bike would not fucking move. And I've been fucking around with it for the last little while and I don't understand what I did to fix it. I was getting so frustrated that the bike wouldn't move, but then I don't know, I fucked around with it and now I finally got the throttle to work. So a bit of a hiccup there, but oh, okay, it wasn't a fluke. It wasn't a fluke. Okay. All right, so mode 1. Okay, let's take your first spin. Oh, it works. It works. Oh, baby, it works. Oh, yeah, that feels like it would be mode 1. Oh, let's kick it up to mode 3. Let's see what that does. What the hell? That's still really slow. Okay, this feels slow as fuck. Put it up to like 5, let's say. Oh, that felt a little juicier. All right, that's going a bit faster. Oh, yeah, it feels torquier, too. Oh, my God. Oh yeah, that's hella torque here. Oh yeah. This is just with a 60 volt too. Do mode 7. Let's do mode 7. Oh, that feels woo, that feels fast as fuck. Oh man. Ooh, that feels hella torquey. Oh baby. Ooh. This is just a 60 volt too, and it already feels like kind of fucking torquey, fucking fast as shit. Ooh, break the gen kicks on. Ooh, that is so. Ooh, I love that. So worried my phone's gonna fall out of my pocket. Oh, I'm so fucking happy I got this thing to work. Oh, fuck yes, yes. Let's go. Okay, I stopped being stupid. I actually bolted the display on. I feel like I need to take it on the open road so I can actually hit some top speeds on this sucker. Oh man, it's got torque for days. Oh man, that's not even full throttle. That's not even full throttle. Better take it out on the main road. Ooh, feels like a different bike a little bit. All right, let's see what kind of top speed we hit. Still stock speed. I mean, it's 60 volt. It just feels torquier as all. The throttle feels so much smoother. Ooh, okay, it's a whole ass straight road. Let's try it on this road. Alright, mode 9. This is still about stock speed. Oh, I love that. I love that. It's so sick. It's so sick.
So I've had this for a couple months now, but my controller came way before this did. and I had no idea when this was actually gonna come. And then it just randomly showed up at my doorstep one day. I didn't even know they shipped it. I tested the new controller with the 60 volt last night, and that felt pretty good. It was like the stock speed, but it felt more powerful, more torquey, like way more torquey. Oh fuck, I should have thought of that. The wind's gonna blow that shit everywhere. So I think this is the charger, perhaps? Hope so. Hardware kit, okay. Fix, what the fuck is this? Why would they send me this? I'm not upset, but why would they send me that? What is any of this? I don't even know what this shit is. Is this the lid? This should be the lid extension. Oh, it is, it is. It's actually nicer than I thought it would be. That's kind of sick. Oops, fuck. I thought it'd be like plastic or something for some reason. I think this extends the battery lid. I hope so. There's that. God, one stray gust of wind is gonna blow all this shit out all over the yard. Yep, that is what I know. Hey, I like this. This looks like it's smaller than the stock charger, which is nice. So the thing I hate about the stock charger is it's so chonky. You can't unplug it from this end. So I always have to like finesse it into the bottom of my backpack, and it takes up a lot of space. Last, it should hopefully be just, yeah, this is the battery, I'm thinking. Give me a whole video just of me trying to open this fucking thing. I think I got it. I got it. I wonder what that goes to. Oh, baby. There it is. That's it right there. 72 volt. This is the greatest day of my natural born life.
If I twist the throttle and it fucking goes. It goes! It goes! Oh baby, it goes. I'm like barely twisting the throttle right now. Oh my god, I'm barely touching the throttle. We're going 32. Let's do mode 6. Oh, holy fuck. Oh my god, it's so fast! It's so fucking fast! Holy frick. Oh, that is amazing. Let's take her out for another spin. Let's see if we can get a better top speed. More of a wide open road. Okay, it's the next day. I charged my battery up a bit more. I'm gonna use it to commute to work today. We'll see how it feels on the open road again. I really should probably tuck this in and actually bolt this down. Okay, let's hope I don't die. That's way torquey now. That is the outlaw. Oh, hello. All right, we made it, baby. We made it. Whew. Sick.